Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing video. Sorry, let me just move the light here. Today I'm opening a box with a pen that was sent to me in November of 2021, and only now it reached me because Portuguese costumes are crazy and the pen was sent back to the United States and sent back to me again. So this is a pen that is made in Germany. It is a Japanese store exclusive. It was bought together with the pen for and by a friend in the United States, and she then sent the pen to me. So very long, crazy journey for this pen. Today I'm opening the pen with this blue Victorinox knife from 2020, and it's the right color for the pen, so let's do it. Okay, so the package is open, and we have bubble wrap, and here we have, let me put this aside, and here we have the box of the pen. Sorry, let me just change a little bit the exposure. I think it was not correct. So we have here the box, and you can see it is Kaweco. So first of all, I have to thank a lot to Alyson for helping me getting this pen. She was so nice, having all the trouble of receiving the pen, sending it to me, then receiving it back because it was sent back by the costumes and then sent back to me again. So this is a nice pen. This is the Skylucent, Kaweco Sport Skylucent. And you can see it's from this store, the pen. And we open it, we have a little leaflet, another something written in Japanese, telling us how the pen works, the black Kaweco sticker, the black Kaweco little book with the history and contacts and so on from Kaweco, and then nice, a little piston converter or syringe converter for the pen, and finally here we have the Kaweco. It unscrewed, sometimes that happens. It is the Kaweco AL Sport in Skylucent. So the Skylucent is a very nice color that is obviously going for the sky color. Let me compare it with this, not an exact match, but that's fine. And let me compare this with the Victorinox knife, not the same blue. So this is a very nice blue. This pen was released before. Let me focus. We have here a fine steel nib. I think it was tested because there was a little remain of ink there. And so as I was telling you, oops, maybe not tested, or tested and maybe just the ink cartridge oops, here it is. There was some problem with the ink cartridge. Maybe it got destroyed in the way, maybe temperature changes, maybe some freezing or something, and it may have cracked with the pressure of the liquid inside, the ink. So this pen was kind of converted into not intentionally converted into an eyedropper, which is something that I hate, but we will clean it and we'll fix that. And so this is the Skylucent blue. So a beautiful, beautiful pen. Kaweco AL Sport Skylucent. As I was telling you before this mess, I was telling you that this pen, or this kind of I didn't want to make a mess. Some more stains to my burlap background. Sorry about that. So again, as I was telling you, this pen was released before in another variation, which was called Sakura Lucent. And Sakura is the name for the blossoms, the color of the cherry blossoms in Japan. So it was Sakura Lucent, and this one is Skylucent. And as far as I understood, they also re-released the Sakura Lucent, but now they have that imprint after that saying penned after the Sakura Lucent engraving or imprint. So that's the variation. I think these two pens go together beautifully. They have very nice shades, either the pink and the blue one. The blue is very nice. Now, just to finish this video, because I know you sometimes like this stuff, I will try to make a review of this pen. I know sometimes reviewing Kaweco is just reviewing another variation, but sometimes I think it may be useful. I have here some color comparisons. AL Sport Skylucent, another Japan exclusive, the June Bright Something Blue from a couple of years ago. It is lighter and a little greener, if that makes sense. This is the AL Sport Light Blue, which is really a very light blue. And finally, the AL Sport Blue, so the older dark blue that is no longer available. This is no longer available also because it is sold out. So these are the shades of blue for the Kaweco AL Sport. So which ones do you prefer? If I had to choose, I would say this is my favorite because it's more on a matte finish, and then it would be the Sakura Lucent. So I'm not Sakura Lucent, Skylucent. So I'm very happy for getting this pen. Thank you, Alyson, so much for allowing me or helping me to get this pen. Not easy. It is sold only in Japan, so you need to buy it from someone else, and so on. So a very long story, but Alyson helped me, and this is the Sakura Lucent. So Sakura Lucent, Skylucent, beautiful colors. I'm so happy. This is another Kaweco that is joining my collection, so it's always amazing to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video, the channel. Go to our Facebook group if you are in Facebook. Our Facebook group, which is called Kaweco Collectors and Users Group, is now over 5,000 members, and we discuss and show a lot of Kaweco. Not only sport, my focus is mainly sport, Kaweco Sport, but many other stuff are discussed there. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to meet you soon here again on my channel. Bye.